Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are outside of CVS to do our haul for this week and I'm so excited. I have 3 pages of deals that I am gonna try to do in store today. Lots of great deals using some CRTs that I got and some digital coupons, which is awesome. We did get our PG insert today, a Smart Source and a RetailMeNot. So a lot of the coupons we got in today's inserts, we are gonna be using in store this week. So if you want to see how you can save so much money at CVS with some really easy deals and using Ibotta as well, then definitely stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, as always, thank you guys so much for clicking on the video and tuning into the deals with me. Take a second and consider hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell. Click it to all, so when I do post new deals, videos, run deals, moneymaker deals, you'll be notified and you can participate in them that week as well. There's always a printable breakdown listed below in the description box, as well as any information about referral codes for any rebate apps that I may be using inside. And if you're new to couponing in general, I know I have a lot of newbies that watch my channel all the time. There is a free couponing ebook below in the description box as well. So you can definitely get that sent to your email, completely free, and you can start to learn all the ins and outs on how to coupon. I did just post a video yesterday as well on the Top Cashback website. They are doing the offer again for spend $25, get $10 cash back. The great thing about that website is there's no minimum. So you can do a deal online, get the cashback percentage from the store, and $10 cash back when you use the link in that video. So the video and the link for the deal are gonna also be below in the description box. So definitely check it out. Free $10 cash back on some deals and items you might be purchasing anyways. So let's go inside now and start taking advantage of the deals at CVS. So our first stop when we get into CVS is going to be the Red Box or the Coupon Center. So this is where you're going to print any instant coupons, CRTs, things like that. Mystery coupons are also going to be printed here. So you can either scan your extra care card or you can type in your phone number, which is what I usually do. So let's see what kind of coupons and CRTs we've gotten for this week. The first deal we're gonna do is an easy freebie that anyone can take advantage of. So we're gonna grab one of these Sure deodorants. They are $2, and when you buy one, you'll get a $2 extra back. So if you wanna roll a $2 extra back, you can do that as well, making this completely free. There are a bunch of baby deals going on as well that I am going to be taking advantage of. A lot of you keep asking how I'm able to get diapers and such so cheap to be able to stock up for baby showers coming up. So CVS has 2 great deals going on. First one we're going to do is on the Pampers. I'm going to grab 2 of the newborn. They're 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you get a $5 extra back. We do have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and I have a 3 off of 15 diaper CRT. That'll take off $6. I'll be left to pay $14, get back a $5 extra back, making our final cost $9 for 2 or $4.50 each. Now, if you pay with a Fluz gift card, I will link below the Fluz video on how to use the app. It's super easy once you get to know how to use it. You can get a gift card, say I get a $10 gift card, I'll get 35% cash back. So with a $10 gift card, just doing this deal, then I would get 35% cash back on that, or $3.50. That's how you can make your deals even better with an even lower final out-of-pocket cost. So let me show you real quick how you would get a Fluz gift card. So you're gonna click the link in the description box, get signed up, and this is gonna be the Fluz app. Search for your store, so we're gonna type in CVS. You're gonna get 35% cash back. You get 3 vouchers for that when you sign up. So then here you're gonna put $10, and it shows you're gonna get $3.60 cash back. Then you're gonna hit continue. You're gonna add your card. I already have mine on file, so then you're gonna click purchase gift code. You're gonna type in your passcode that you are going to set up when you set up your account. Now I have my gift card. So when you go to checkout, the cashier is going to click gift card on their side. Then they're going to scan this right from your phone, and that is how you do it. Super, super easy. Another baby deal you can do is on the Huggies. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these little snugglers. They're just $9.99 this week. So right there is saving you $4.50 per pack of diapers. And they're on a separate promotion for spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So we're gonna grab 2 of these. That'll be $19.98. My store does follow the 98% rule. We're gonna use this $2 coupon we got in today's Smart Source insert. Then we have a $2 digital coupon. And I have a 3 off of 15 Huggies diapers CRT. That'll take off $7. I'll be left to pay $12.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $7.98 for both, or just $3.99 each. So not a bad deal on either of these diapers. Here's an easy freebie that I was gonna take advantage of, but my store is out, unfortunately. Just the Febreze plug itself is $2.99 this week. We do have a free coupon that we got in our PG insert for February. Maximum is up to $3 and they're $2.99. So that'll cover the full cost, making it a nice, easy freebie that you can grab from CVS. Now we're gonna grab some free Tresemme. So these bottles here are on sale 2 for $9. And when you buy 2, you'll get a $2 extra buck. So we are gonna grab 2 of these. In today's RetailMeNot insert, we got a $4 off 2 coupon. That'll take off $4. And I have this 3 off of 2 Tresemme shampoo CRT that printed for me last Sunday. So it expires today. So using that is gonna take off $7. I'm gonna pay $2 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck, making them completely free, which is awesome. Now let's start putting together our deal this week for the spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. We are gonna grab 2 of these Herbal Essences Buy or Renew. They are 2 for $12. We have this $4 off 2 coupon we got in our PG insert for February. I also have another 4 off of 18 hair care CRT that I'm gonna be adding in with this entire deal. So let's go grab the rest of our products. The other hair care we're grabbing is the smaller Pantene that are 3 for $12. They're also included. You wanna make sure you're grabbing the smaller ones. The larger ones are also included, but they're 3 for $15. So grabbing 3 of these, we do have a 5 off of 3 coupon we got in our February PG insert as well. And these 3 and the Herbal Essences brings us to $24 in hair care. That's how we're able to use this 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. The last item we're gonna grab to get us over the $30 mark is this Dreft for newborns. It's $11.94 this week, and we have a $3 off coupon. Says the 50 ounce or larger, and this is 50 ounce, so that should work perfectly. Got this also in the February PG insert. So let's go over our totals for the spend $30, get a $10 extra buck deal. Oh, and I also have this $3 Dreft CRT that I forgot to mention. So now let's go over our totals. Okay, so this is everything we're grabbing. Total is gonna be about $35.94. Then we have the $3 paper coupon, $3 CRT, 5 off 3 paper coupon, 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, and 4 off of 2 Herbal Essences coupon from the PG insert. So now our total we are gonna be paying out of pocket is $16.94. Then we're gonna be getting back a $3 beauty buck because these equal $24 of beauty. We did the Tresemme deal and we have the couple lotion deals we're doing as well. So we will get back a $3 beauty buck and we are getting back the $10 extra buck. So our final cost is gonna be $3.94 for all 6 items, or about 65 cents each, which is absolutely amazing. So let's go on to a few more deals for this week. Now there's a couple shave deals that I'm gonna do. So Nivea is on a deal, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. The body wash is included, lotion is included, and this Nivea men's shave gel. So we're gonna grab 2 of them at $4.99 each. That'll be $9.98. I do have this $2 coupon from today's Smart Source, I believe. Now the coupon reads $2 off 1 Nivea men face or aftershave product, which this is neither, I don't think, or $2 off of 2 Nivea Men shave products. So grabbing 2 of these, we can only use 1 of these coupons because it's going to be a 2 off of 2 scenario. Then I do have this $2 off of 8 Nivea Men skincare or shave cream CRT. That'll take off $4. We are gonna pay $5.98, get back a $5 extra buck, submit to Ibotta for 85 cents back each, making our final cost free and a 72-cent moneymaker. Select Gillette or Venus razors are gonna be buy one, get a $5 extra buck. This is a limit of 1. The cheapest razor for the men's is this Mach 3 for $9.99. I have a 3 off of 8 Gillette or Venus razor CRT. So I am gonna wind up paying $6.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making it just $1.98 for a razor. I think that's a pretty good deal, so I am gonna add this to my transaction. Here is another easy freebie. So I am gonna be using this $4 off of 8 Hallmark Cards CRT. If you scan these bags, they're 49 cents each and it does attach. So I'm gonna grab 8 of these. We're gonna get $4 off, which is gonna make them completely free, which is awesome. If you need some contact solution, this Renew is 20% more, so it's a huge bottle, and it's $7.99 this week. When you buy 1, you'll get a $2 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1, but I'm gonna grab 2 of them because when you go on the Renew website, you can print a $5 off 1 coupon, which is amazing. Limit is 2 coupons, so I printed this twice. That'll take off $10 right there. Now, I also found this 3 off of 10 Renew Eye Care product CRT. This printed for me last week. It expires today, so I can use this today as well. So now I am gonna be paying just $2.98 out of pocket for 2 of these, getting back a $2 extra buck, making it 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each, which is an amazing deal. I don't wear contacts or glasses or anything like that, but for 49 cents, my mom and brother both do, so I'm gonna give them each a bottle. Here's a good oral care deal you can do, getting some really expensive Colgate for 99 cents each. And this is how you can do it. You're gonna do this deal, which is buy 2, get a $6 extra buck, and they're $5.99 each. So grabbing 2 would bring you to $11.98. We do have $1 off 1 coupons from our Smart Source insert. We also have this $1 off 1 digital coupon, or there are printable coupons as well that became available today. So I will have those linked in the printable breakdown for you below in the description box. You're gonna use 2. I also have a 4 off of 16 Colgate CRT, but this doesn't quite get us to the $16 mark. So the other thing we are going to be adding is the Colgate mouthwash. So down here, they are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So grabbing 2 of these is gonna bring us to $10.58. Then we have a printable coupon again that became available. So you can use 1 of these, and we got coupons from our Smart Source insert today. So use 1 of each, or you can use 2 of these. The limit on this is 4 coupons. And that'll make that 4 off of 16 work, because our total now for all 4 of these products is gonna be $22.96. Then we have the $4 CRT and $4 in manufacturer coupons. That'll take off $8. We'll be left to pay $14.96 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck for these 2, and a $6 extra buck for the toothpaste, giving us back $11 in extra bucks. Now our final cost is $3.96 for 4 products, or 99 cents each, which I think is a great deal for oral care. Here is a nice lotion deal as well. Select Aquaphor and Eucerin are spend 20, get a $10 extra back. So we are gonna grab 1 of these daily hydrations for $10.79. I'm gonna grab 1 of these. We do have a $2 off 1 coupon we got in today's Smart Source. It says any 1 body product. This doesn't say anything about being for your hands or anything else, so I'm assuming it's gonna work. So total is gonna be about $20.58. Then we have $2, $2, and a $3.50 CRT. So we are going to be left to pay $13.08, sorry. Get back a $10 extra buck, making it $3.08 for both, or $1.54 each. This tracks towards CVS Beauty as well, which is going to make us hit beauty again. So now our final cost is going to be 8 cents for both, or 4 cents for lotion. How insane is that? Okay, so we're back in from CVS. I had a couple issues at checkout, but no big deal. I want to share with you my receipts. Okay, that's better. It's not even that bright out, but my eyes are like so sensitive today. Okay, so not sure exactly the order I did these transactions, but I want to share the receipts with you guys. So this one I did the Colgate and the Eucerin. Here is $1 for the Colgate, $2 Eucerin, Colgate, Colgate, Colgate. Those were the paper coupons. Then we had the 4 off 16 Colgate, $3.50 off of 15 Eucerin lotion. The $2 Eucerin lotion coupon did not come off for that original healing one that I got, so heads up on that. Rolled some extra bucks that I had from previous transactions. Paid $11.72 out of pocket. This was actually my last transaction. So I used the rest of a Fetch Rewards gift card, paid $9.27 out of pocket. Got back all of my extra bucks for that deal, which was awesome. This is the one that he had to void and redo. This was my second transaction. Got the Tresemme, the Huggies, the Garnier, and the Sure deodorant. So these are the coupons that I gave him. Then the 3 off 2 Tresemme CRT, 3 off 15 Huggies came off. These are, that's a $2 Huggies, which was the digital. These are extra bucks that I used from the first transaction. Paid with my Fluz gift card that I showed you how to get in store. So I got back $3.60 from this transaction, which is awesome. And $1.46 I paid out of pocket. Let me show you this one. This was my first transaction. I did the Pampers. This was a big transaction. I did the Renew. Totally forgot to give him the 3 off of 10 Renew CRT. Oh, I hate when I do that. So I lost $3 of savings there, but that's okay. These are the Hallmark that he forgot to scan one, so I lost $4 there as well. So this one receipt, I lost $7 of savings, unfortunately. Oh no. So $5 for the Renew, $5 for the Renew, 3 off 2 for the Pampers, which was the digital coupon. 3 off of 20 healthcare came off. Then I had 3 off of 15 Pampers came off anyway. So they like glitched and worked together or something, which is weird. So I got $6 in savings there, which is awesome. So kind of makes up for the $4 of Hallmark that didn't come off. Paid this with a Fetch Rewards gift card. So didn't pay anything out of pocket on that transaction, which is great. And my fourth transaction, I always split it up into a bunch of little ones to try to roll over the extra bucks that you're getting from your first transactions into your next one, so on and so forth, to keep your out of pocket as low as possible. Then I use the Fluz gift cards and Fetch Rewards gift cards to pay any remaining out of pocket balance. Did submit the Nivea to Ibotta, got back $1.80. I had a 10-cent any item rebate. So for today, total for all the products we got was $177 worth of products today. My final cost after all of my cash back from Fluz and from Ibotta was $16, which is absolutely amazing. So you divide 1608 by 34, each product technically cost me 47 cents. So I got bags of diapers, 47 cents each. If you guys have any other questions or anything, of course, drop a comment as always. Don't forget to smash the like button for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.